Hi people, I'm Tracey Hudson from the HR department, and today I want to talk about listening and how it can help your business if you and your managers can get it right. Can your team even talk to you? Is your door always open? Do you hold regular one-to-ones? Do you survey your staff from time to time? However you do it, make sure you follow up with action and communication. Nothing says bad listener more than if you hear what they say and do nothing about it. Even if you don't agree with them, take the time to explain it and at least thank them for raising the point with you. So let's think about the benefits to you as an employer. So 1, better company ideas. Your team are on the ground. They notice things that can be done better. So take advantage of that. They might come up with a really good idea. 2, it helps avoid disaster. If your team always know they can come to you when there's a problem, it can avert disaster because you can put it right quicker. 3, it improves morale. It's a really good way of signalling that you value their input. 4, it boosts retention. Making employees feel valued is a really important part of having them stick around. And 5, it improves your own skills. Actively listening to your employees is a skill in itself, and through practice, you're going to get better at it, and your manager as well. We have a load of training solutions to help you or your line managers upskilling in this area. So if you want to know more, then just get in touch. Thanks.